Okay, today is October the 23rd, 2025. Sun just went down. It's about 6 p.m. right now, Thursday. Temperature right now is 45 degrees. Air quality is excellent. It's 19. Damn, went down too fast. I missed it. We're going to be all in the 50s all week long. Yeah, got a freeze warning. And during the nights, it's going to be in the 30s and the 40s. Wow, that's cold. Well, fall is here, and winter is right around the corner. We got cloudy skies and rain. Looks like it's going to rain later. Yep. Don't think I'm going to see a moon tonight. Darn it, I missed it. Yeah, the sky was all red right here, right before the sun went down. So anyway, this will be it for the night, I think. And so hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and post your comments below. And keep your eyes in the skies. Yeah, keep looking up. Alright. Y'all get out there and enjoy your weather. Yeah, let's go home. Alright. I'll talk to y'all later.